Hello students, how are you? I hope you are doing good bachcho. So today we are going to start a new chapter which name is the adjective and kinds. So let's begin students. Definitions. Adjectives are the words which describe nouns or pronouns. तो बच्चों adjectives वैसे words होते हैं, उन words को हम बोलते हैं जो nouns और pronouns को अच्छे से describe करते हैं. So they can be used before or after them. और ये बच्चों noun के पहले या बाद में भी use हो सकते हैं. So compare the following. यहाँ पर हम देख पा रहे हैं a woman and honest woman, an egg, a white egg, an elephant, a big elephant, a lion, a fire-sale lion, a chain, a iron chain, the boy, a good boy, a girl, a good girl, a table, a wooden table, a book, an interesting book, a man, an old man. In the above table, the colored words add to the meaning of nouns. They are adjectives. यहाँ पर जो कलर दिख रहे हैं बच्चों तो nouns को ही तो बता रहे हैं, उसमें noun में meaning को कर रहे हैं, कुछ words हमारे add जैसे हम देख पा रहे हैं जो कलर में दिए गए उन्हीं को हम adjectives बोलते हैं. Kinds of adjectives की बात करेंगे बच्चों. Adjectives describes noun और pronouns on the basis of, जिसमें हम adjective of quality की बात करेंगे, adjective of quantity की बात करेंगे, adjectives of number, adjectives of demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, possessive adjectives. So first we will start from the adjectives of quality. The adjective of quality add a quality to a noun or a pronoun. How to know adjectives of quality? Ask a questions to a sentence of what kind of person or a thing is. The answer would be an adjective of quality. कि वो व्यक्ति या person किस तरह का है बच्चों, उसकी quality बताने के लिए हम use करते हैं adjective of quality का. Look at the following sentences. She is an obstinate girl. Ask what kind of girl is she? Answer obstinate. Thus the word obstinate is an adjective of quality को show करता है बच्चों. Second category adjective of quantity. The adjectives of quantity tell us quantity or amount of something. किसी चीज का amount बनाना या फिर बच्चों amount बताते हुए quantity बताना वही कहलाता है adjective of quantity. How to know adjectives of quantity? Ask a questions to the sentence how much को बताता है. The answers would be an adjective of quantity को show करता है. Look at the following sentences. I drank some water. Ask how much water. Then answer आएगा बच्चों some. Thus the word some is an adjective of quantity. Third category है बच्चों adjectives of numbers को लेकर. Adjectives of number tell us definite और indefinite numbers of a person or thing को show करता है. First category है definite adjective of number. Definite adjectives of number tell exact number of person or things. For example, 2 children, 3 oranges, 4 lions, etc. And B category के अंदर indefinite adjectives of number show करते हैं. Indefinite adjectives of number do not indicate an exact number of person or things. For example, a few children, some trees, no girls, etc. How to know adjectives of number? Ask a questions to the sentence how many. The answers would be an adjective of number को show करता है. Look at the following sentence. She has 4 children. Ask how many children has she? So answer 4. Then यहाँ पर बच्चों आपने देखा numbering को दिया जाता है. Thus the word 4 is a definite adjectives of number. We have few chairs. Then ask how many chairs? Answer is few. Thus the word few is an indefinite adjective of number. Comparing adjectives of quantity and adjective of number. Adjective of quantity answer the question how much, and while adjectives of number answer the question how many. Compare the following sentences. देख लेते हैं बच्चों. यहाँ पर आपको दिया गया है adjectives of numbers को बताते हुए कुछ example और adjectives of quantity को बताते हुए example दिए गए. He has broken one of the toys. He has eaten 2 oranges. There are 40 students in the class. We have 11 players in the team. Adjective of quantity के दिए गए हैं. He has devoted all his life. He has spent some money. There is no water in the bucket. We have enough work to do. Then fourth category है बच्चों demonstrative adjectives को लेकर. Demonstrative adjectives point out the person or things that are spoken about. यहाँ पर point out करते हैं बच्चों. Look at the following sentences के लिए. I do not like such people. This movie is more interesting than that. Paints this door. That pen is not costly. तो आपने देखा यहाँ पर this, that, such, these, those से हम demonstrative adjective को पहचान सकते हैं. Fifth category है बच्चों interrogative adjectives की. The word that are used with nouns to ask questions are called interrogative question. Look at the following sentences. बच्चों यहाँ पर कुछ sentences दिए गए हैं interrogative adjectives में जिसमें questions पूछे गए हैं. Whose book is this? Which cab do you want? Which places have you visited, which work will you like to do. नेक्स्ट है बच्चों पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव. पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव आर यूज्ड टू टेल पोजीशंस ऑफ समथिंग और सम पर्सन. फॉर एग्जांपल माय, योर, आर, हिज, हर, देयर एटसेट्रा. कंपेयर द फॉलोइंग पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स विद पॉजेसिव प्रोनाउंस के साथ हम बात करेंगे कि पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स कैसे होते हैं बच्चों और पॉजेसिव प्रोनाउंस को हम कैसे समझ सकते हैं विद एग्जांपल. सो पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव, पॉजेसिव प्रोनाउन. दिस इज माय बुक, दिस इज योर बुक, these are our books, this is his book, this is her book, these are their books. And possessive pronouns, this book is mine, this book is yours, these books are ours, this book is his, this book is her, and these books are theirs. तो यहाँ पर बच्चों आप इजीली इनको समझ सकते हो क्योंकि यहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल्स के साथ आपको फाइंड आउट किए गए हैं और समझाया गया है. तो ये चैप्टर यहीं पर फिनिश होता है. चैप्टर को पढ़ना है, रीड आउट करना है और चैप्टर से रिलेटेड एक्सरसाइज भी आपको खुद से कंप्लीट करनी है स्टूडेंट्स.